A gnome waves high and invites you for tea. He pulls out a chair, urging you to take your seat. You drink out of golden buttercups, food spread out onto a mushroom's head. You rub your eyes and wonder if you're simply dreaming instead. Hello everyone, it's Terrarium Crafts. Welcome back to another video. Today I am taking part in a challenge hosted by Hilary from the Old World Home. Once you're done with my video, check the description box for the playlist as well as the channel. So this is my thrift find. It's a glass-footed sundae dish and I'm just wrapping it around this lawn edging. The garden edging was a little too long, so I just kind of wanted to wrap it around to get the measurement, and you can see there I just marked it with a white marker so I know how much to cut. And here it is, nice and trim, cut to size using one of our saw machines. And now I'm taking my hot glue and applying it just to the rim of the sundae dish. Then I'm going to stick it on to the garden edging and just keep wrapping it around, adding more hot glue as I go. Now you want to fill the inside of your bowl, and you can use soil if you like. I'm just using some packaging. Then you're going to take some moss. I've got some natural moss that I got from the park as well as my garden, and you're going to place it inside your bowl, cover it all up so that none of the glass rim is showing. So you want to go as far as the brown garden edging. And here's Leo coming to help as usual, or get in the way, I'll let you decide. And in case you're wondering, the moss is fine as it is. It doesn't necessarily need soil, and you just need to mist it about 3 times a week, just lightly. Moss is always great for adding that bit of greenery without much maintenance. Now, kind of for the final stage, which is really easy and simple, just decorate it however you like. So I've got this toadstool. It was from a fairy set. It has a teacup set on the top of the mushroom, which I just love. It reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. And I'm just taking lots of natural goodies here, which I really like because it's always so affordable and inexpensive. I'm using some pieces from a potpourri pack, for example. So just really have fun with this part and make use of what you already have at home. I'm also using some artificial bits like some berries and the green mushrooms. I'm using some real dried out fruit which actually look like pumpkins. I will leave the name on the screen because I don't know it. And then for the final touch, you can take a fairy, a gnome, anything that you like. I've got this gnome and I haven't got to use him yet, and I just thought he looked perfect for this project. I'm not going to use hot glue to stick him down just so that I can remove him and use him for other things later on. So I'm using this sticky foam pad and it really did the job. Next, you're going to take some twine, and this is optional, but you can wrap it around the garden edging and then you can make a bow in the center. There was one thing missing, so I headed down to my garden and I picked out a nice leaf that I thought would match in size and colour. Once I was back in my craft room, I took the leaf and I just slipped it through the twine bow in the centre. This is just extra, but I took my gold Sharpie pen and I coloured in the silver wire. I just felt like it was standing out a little bit too much and I wanted it to match with all of the autumny colours. And here's the final project. I'm so happy with it. I really love rustic, nature-inspired DIYs, but it's super cute and adorable as well. What I really love about this is that the foundations were made using a sundae bowl. I mean, who would know? Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Take care now. Bye.